Hey guys, so unfortunately I failed my second FTMO challenge. In this video I'm going to talk to you how I did that and where I'm at with my third account. Let's get straight into it. Hi guys, it's Any, aka the NocTrader, your friendly neighborhood swing trader, back again with another video. Remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button and hit that alert button to get alerts on all my latest videos. So, FTMO challenge, episode 5. Just a quick recap of what the FTMO challenge is. In this series, I'm trying to turn 50k US dollars into 55k US dollars, a 10% gain in 1 month. As you guys probably realized, I was initially doing a 40k euro challenge. I quickly realized I'm paying the same amount for 40k euros and 50k US dollars, and 50k US dollars amounts to more. So I don't know why I was throwing away 5k. Thanks to Notorious, who let me know on my Discord group. So when I decided to make a third account, I decided to go with 50k US dollars. So my last account, I failed. In all honesty, with this last account, I just decided to just throw a bet at the wall and see what happened, because I wanted to start fresh. I know I'm wasting 345 quid by doing that, but I was just done with this account, and it just seemed like I was trying to claw back a losing account rather than be positive. So I took a big lot trade and I lost, and by doing that I violated the max loss objective by making a big trade. And this was that big trade. I shorted GBP JPY a volume of 10, lost about 800 quid in one bet, and then that triggered my max loss. But I'm not going to dwell on this, because to be honest, this account was just mistake after mistake. It was you're better off, if anyone was smart, they would have taken the opposite side of every trade I made, because I would have hit the target within the month. But on to the next one. Moving on, ignore this account, lessons have been learned, and I'm moving on to the next account. And if you haven't already, check out all the other videos in my FTMO challenge playlist. Link is in the description section below. Which brings me on to my current account, which started at 50k. Now I'm down £500, which is about 1%, so that's not too much of an issue. But let's see what's going on in that account now. So anyway, on to pastures new. I'm on day 3 of my new account, and I took a little bit of a dip, made 2 trades, and I lost about a couple of percent of the account. How much did I lose? I lost about 2%, which is all right. I've set myself a target of only maximum loss, daily loss could be 2%, and then I'll stop trading for that day. So I lost 2% on the first day, which is all right. And then I lost 357 euros, US dollars actually, on the second day, and I made 890 on the third day, which is all right. Wasn't a great start, but clawed it back, made just under 1% on the third day. So I'm near back to level, which is not too much of an issue. But and I've taken 10 trades, 17 trades, and 16 trades. These are obviously grossly less than I was taking before, but these trades were more about getting the perfect entry. So a lot of times you find it was the same pair that I was trading. The best trade I took was the GBP JPY, which made me $792. And I'm going to cover that in a second. So here's my new tracker. As you can see here, only 3 days in, and this is just another tally of what I just showed you in the previous dashboard. Lost 1,080, lost 357, and they made 890 on the third day. So now my account's down 1%, which is all right, not too bad. And my daily amount that I made was, I lost 2%, lost 0.7%, and then made 1.78%. So the target I need to hit is now, I've got $5,547 to make to hit target. And if you just look at the chart here on the right hand side, this chart once again just shows the cumulative total of what I've made so far and where that sits in comparison to my daily target I need to make to hit my 10% target within the month if I was to make the same amount every day. So I'm just a little bit off, not too far off. And here's a new page I made for myself. No more than 2 trades a day. Yeah, I failed that already, but I have good reason for that. Max risk 500 per trade and max daily loss of 750. I'm changing that. Max daily loss is going to be 2%, because I need to be a bit more aggressive if I want to. And swing trades only. So this is important. I was trying different strategies that weren't really the strategies that I normally employ in my own trading, so I'm just going to stick to what I know. Swing trades only, 4-hour chart trading. and day after successful trade, no trading. So I looked into some of my data, and sometimes I found that when I had a really good day, the next day would be equally as bad. So maybe I could break that cycle by maybe, if I have a really good day, the next day afterwards I can maybe take a break, see if that works. I wouldn't constitute this 890 as a really good day, so I'm still going to be trading, and plus it was broken up by the weekend. But let's say I have a Wednesday that's a really good day, maybe the Thursday I can take off. I'll just see how that works out, because I've just been looking at historical data of my trading, and I seem to counterbalance my good days with bad days sometimes. So yeah, my win rate is 44%, which is about what my win rate is on my live account, thereabouts. But I'm still down anyway. But anyway, let's get into the charts and see. Let me show you the GBP JPY trade that I made and why I made it. So it looks real obvious now what was going to happen, but at the time I thought, yeah, a long is in play. So the reason why I thought a long was in play was because if you look at the daily charts, you can see there's this converging wedge that's been forming all the way back to December 2019, and the bias was to the upside because at the beginning of the trend it double topped at the top. So, and I just saw that price, the 180-day simple moving average, had now come underneath price and looked like it was curving up. So that gave me a sign that, okay, this is potential bullish momentum. So when this line got triggered and it hit, I took a long. And when I took a long, I actually went up with some size, and I was initially going to take my profits when it hit this line, but then I just thought, I'm not going to make the mistake I made in other trades where I was so adamant on hitting take profit that I lost some money by allowing it to retrace before it hit take profit. So the minute it climbed and I saw it losing momentum, once I entered my long, I just decided to exit my position. So what I did here was that I took the long, and then once I saw kind of momentum dissipating here, as you can see just from the MACD and RSI, I decided just to, instead of exiting, I just moved my stop loss really tight so that if it bounced and went up, then that's good, but if it didn't, it stopped me out. So I was happy with that trade. And that was just simple technical analysis, very simple technical and fundamental technical analysis that was easy to identify. And those are the type of trades I'm trying to take and just cut out all of the crazy other trades that I've been looking for. Very simplistic patterns that give you obvious price action movement. So yeah, so far new account down 1%, looking good so far. But yeah, that's me, Any aka the NocTrader, signing out.